You've already learned the 4 different scissor positions. Again, those positions are the scissor, the inverted scissor, the inside scissor, and the inside inverted scissor. But what we haven't told you yet is that there are also 4 different scissor grips. Again, the scissor grip is the 2 clubs held in one hand that supports the 3rd scissor club. You've already learned the first scissor grip, the classic scissor. Let's take a look at the other 3. Here we have the reverse scissor grip, or Scissor grip. Notice that the body of the 2 clubs is pointed inward toward my body. Next we have the 2 staff scissor grips, or Scissor grips. There's staff grip A and staff grip B. The difference between staff grip A and B is very subtle, but the deeper down the scissor matrix rabbit hole you go, the more and more important it is. Here's where it gets exciting. Each of the 4 scissor positions can be done in each of the 4 scissor grips. That makes for a total of 16 scissors in the scissor matrix. You're welcome. And now, the 16 scissors of the scissor matrix. Scissor. Inverted scissor. Inside scissor. Inside inverted scissor. Reverse scissor. Reverse inverted scissor. Reverse inside scissor. Reverse inside inverted scissor. Staff scissor A. Staff grip inverted scissor A. Staff inside scissor A. And staff grip inside inverted scissor A. Staff scissor B. Staff grip inverted scissor B. Staff inside scissor B. And staff grip inside inverted scissor B. There will be a test.